Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Begin with a pound of pork belly skin on. Give it a nice rinse under cold water and pat it dry. Now take a sharp knife and score the skin in a crisscross pattern. Careful now, we're not auditioning for a horror movie, just a light score will do. Next, we're going to create the marinade. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, that's just a fancy name for Chinese rice wine, 1 tablespoon each of hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, and honey or brown sugar. Add in a teaspoon each of 5 spice powder and grated ginger, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and a dash of salt and pepper. Stir it all together until it is mixed well. Now place your pork belly in a large resealable bag or shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the pork belly. Make sure it's evenly coated like a sunbather on a beach holiday. Seal the bag or cover the dish and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can wait that long. When you're ready to cook, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in an oven-safe skillet or roasting pan over medium-high heat. Personally, I love using the iron skillet for this recipe. Once hot, add the pork belly, skin side down, like it's doing a belly flop into a pool, and sear for 2 to 3 minutes until the skin is browned and crispy. Flip the pork belly over and pour any remaining marinade over the top. Transfer the skillet or roasting pan to the preheated oven and roast for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the pork belly is cooked through and the skin is crispy and caramelized. Don't forget to baste the pork belly with the pan juices halfway through cooking. Remove your masterpiece from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing into thick, succulent slices. Serve it hot and garnished with sliced green onions or sesame seeds if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, folks, a dish so good it'll make you forget all about your monkey toast troubles. Now, to wrap things up, here's another little food joke for you. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Keep that in mind the next time you're making a cheesy dish. Until next time, keep your humor high and your food delicious.